How to stretch a video in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you stretch a video on CapCut PC. So let's get started. First, as you have to open CapCut PC on your PC or laptop. After you open CapCut PC, from there you'll have to just add any video on your timeline. After you add on that, simply you'll have to click or choose that video at the bottom. After you click on that, at the top right corner, simply you'll have to look for the option Uniform Scale. After you find that, simply click and disable that. After you disable that, you got the option for stretching the video in CapCut. For that, go to the corner of that video and double click on that, and you can stretch the video by according to your need on that video. After that, you'll be able to stretch the video on CapCut, and that's it. This is the way to stretch a video in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.